Hello and welcome to the Woodworking channel. Today's project is a simple picnic or barbecue caddy that you can make from just one fence picket, and as you can see there's still some material left over which you can use for another project like this one that I'm showing you in the top right in the corner there. I'll put a link to that video in the card and in the description. So to start off, I'm just doing a sketch of what it would look like. This will be a prototype for me because this is the first time I'm building something like this. I actually will be making a little bit of change, which I'll show you later on in the video for the next one that I'll build. Again, welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If not, welcome back and thank you for stopping by. Now let's jump right in and start making the cuts. This process is really simple and easy to follow through, so I'll just sit back and let you watch the process. If there are any questions you have about the build, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer it as quickly as possible. Thank you. So to add some decoration to the top part of the caddy, I'm adding a 10-degree angle to the top where the dowel handle will be installed. To make sure the dowel holes will be at the same spots, I drilled a pilot hole through both of the boards, and then I used a Forstner bit to drill a 3/4 inch recess that will hold the dowel on both sides. If you like this video, you might like other videos that I have on the channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and let's build a community together. So at this point in the video, I just want to remind you that all you need is just a little faith and some DIY action. I have a quick favor to ask of you. If you do know someone who might like this video, maybe your family or friend, feel free to share the video with them. Thank you. To make the base of the towel holder a little bit rounded than just sharp edges, I'm using a hand saw there to just cut off a little piece, and then I'll sand that off and round it over a little bit so it looks nicer and probably even safer for the hands. As I mentioned earlier, there's one thing that I'll change when I'm building this again. The two sides where the dowel handle is a bit short. So on the next build, I'll make sure they're 10 inches or 12 inches tall rather than 8 inches tall. So I'll go for 12 inches. And that's it. I hope this inspires you to build one like this or even one better than this. Let me know in the comments if you like this, and good luck with your build. And as always, I hope you'll have a tangible experience of God's love today.